to welcome all of you to the NSE for this special event for the launch of Raid 2, a film that promises to captivate audiences with its gripping narrative. To the Raid 2 team, thank you for choosing NSE as a platform to share your story. It's a privilege to host all of you and to connect the worlds of cinema and finance in this unique way. As all of you know, this is the largest exchange in the world. In many ways, it serves 11 crore unique investors, market capitalization close to $5 trillion. 1/3 of India's wealth is represented here. It also has 43 companies which are from media, entertainment, and gaming industry. So we are all happy to welcome all of you to this specific event where your film is getting launched from here. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for those remarks. And time now for the bell ringing. I will request Shri Ajay Devgan, Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, Shri Raj Kumar Gupta, Shri Bhushan Kumar, Shri Kumar Mangat Pathak, Shri Shiv Chinana, along with Aniruddha Chatterjee, Ankit Sharma, Balasubramanyam Venkataramani, Ian D'Souza, Mayur Sindwad, Neeraj Kulshrestha, Piyush Chaurasia, Rajesh Thapar, Sampath Manikam, Sharad Dhakate, Som Sundaram KS, Sri Ram Krishnan, Vikram Kothari, and Viral Modi to please join in. So, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the CXOs of NSE. तालियों की गूंज के साथ हम उस पल को सजाएंगे. So let us wait for the countdown on the ticker, or let us just give it verbally. चलिए आइए. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And let me just be some little more curious into your lives. And now that you are here, let me ask you, क्या आप सभी investments करते हैं? Stock market में. What I mean to say is in stock market.
We have just started as T-Series in investing some into the stock
Wow,
market.
so I think that deserves a round of applause. T-Series as a company has just started investing in stocks. What about you, sir, Ajay ji?
I definitely do, but honestly speaking, मुझे बहुत कम knowledge है इस चीज़ के बारे में, तो through my office वो investment तो होती ही रहती है.
Definitely. So you are a part of the stock
Of course.
market. If not personally, your office looks into it. So I will not actually ask you कि आप कितना invest करते हो. लेकिन if somebody wants to say कि आज के दिन किसी ने, especially आज के मुहूर्त के दिन अगर किसी ने invest किया हो तो, don't tell me the figure. It's okay. Don't tell me the figure.
अभी किया तो नहीं, अभी कर देंगे अभी यहाँ से जाने.
अरे वाह, क्या बात है. That is such an encouragement. That is a
We all
lovely.
will.
रेड 2 में इन्वेस्ट करो, अच्छा रिटर्न मिलेगा.
वाह, क्या बात है. सही कहा है सर ने. कल हम सभी जाकर सिनेमा घरों में फिल्म देखेंगे. रेड में आपने जो भूमिका निभाई है वो इनकम टैक्स ऑफिसर की है. मैं ऐसे नहीं पूछूंगी कि रेड के बाद में कितना पैसा हासिल हुआ, तो वो शायद रितेश को पूछना पड़ेगा. रितेश इज नॉट विद अस, बट आई वुड डेफिनेटली लाइक टू आस्क यू कि वी ऑल आर एक्साइटेड, बट योर एक्साइटमेंट मस्ट बी डेफिनेटली स्पेशल. सो प्लीज टेल अस समथिंग अबाउट दैट.
More than excitement, it's a combination of excitement and I would say a little bit of anxiety. When the film releases, you want to know how the audience is reacting to it और कैसे उनको फिल्म लग रही है, क्योंकि जब आप 1 साल 1.5 साल एक फिल्म के साथ गुजारते हैं और जब it's like going for an exam, you know, जब रिजल्ट आता है तो जैसे बच्चे क्यूरियस होते हैं कि you know शायद हमने अच्छा किया, अब रिजल्ट क्या है. So it's the same situation with us.
So some kind of a nervous energy is always good, as they say.
100%.
So sir agrees with me. Let me come to the director. So how different was the process of both the films? In the sense that you were the director of Raid, which was released in 2018, and now this is the sequel of the same thing. So what new should we expect?
I think दोनों अलग फिल्म थी, ये अलग फिल्म है, एंड अलग एक्सपीरियंसेस हैं. एंड ऑफ कोर्स अजय सर के अमय पटनायक सेम है, पर एक नई कहानी है. वो रेड इनवर्ड थी, एक घर के अंदर थी, ये रेड आउटवर्ड है, घर के बाहर है। तो कहानी में डिफरेंस है दोनों फिल्मों की।
Definitely, because what I have gathered